Hi guys, back for another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at OddsMonkey. So OddsMonkey is a match betting website. It's what we use to basically find our match bets, place the match bets. You can even like lay the bets from here now as well. So there's all sorts that you can do, but we can kind of go into that in detail in a bit. But so what have we got then? So you sign up for OddsMonkey. It's I believe £17.99 per month, which is the same as like all the other sites that are similar to this. So it's a pretty good price when you think about the amount of money that you can make. So like if you were just signing up for this brand new today, I think within the first two offers you make about 45 quid. So in terms of sort of is it worth it, then yeah, obviously you can kind of sign up for free, do the first two offers for free, make 45 quid, and then out of that 45 quid pure profit that you've got, you can then basically use that to put straight back into your account. So you're kind of investing into this all the time, so you don't even really have to use your own money to sign up. You can just literally set up what you've got already, trying to get going, and then once you've made a profit, and then use that to sign up for an account. So what do you get? So you get this menu at the top, which is actually really useful. I think their website looks amazing. In terms of the competition, I think OddsMonkey have definitely got this one nailed. But at the top in the menus, you've got things like you start off with the tutorial. So with the tutorial, this is kind of like if you're absolutely brand new to match betting and you've never done anything like this before. It literally goes through everything. Hope you like reading, because there's quite a bit of that here. It's not too bad, to be fair. I mean, it's all really good information, and it's definitely something that you need to read. The worst thing in the world, especially with match betting, is if you just literally dive in and you're not sure what you're looking at. So this particular guide goes into like what match betting is, the risks of it, which is virtually none. The fact that there's two sides to a bet, the role of the bookie and whatnot. And I think it goes into like exchanges, betting exchanges. It talks about liability and how that's calculated, what it is. I mean, in terms of like liability calculations, you don't even need to know, because the tools on here are basically going to do everything for you anyway. But it's nice to know what's happening in the background. So they've got another detailed tutorial on betting exchanges, and then they've got stuff on the odds matcher. So the odds matching software is basically finding offers that are really good. They've got like video guides on here. So if you need to find profitable matches to basically place your bets on, your matched bets on, then the odds matching software is really good. And this goes through exactly how to use it. And they've got a video guide here, which is really cool. Then they go through a little bit more about liability, and then they get into these two tutorials here, and these are literally holding your hand all the way through for doing the first two offers. So remember when I said you can make just like 45 quid off the bat? This is before you've even signed up, because you get these two offers for free when you just sign up for a free trial account with them. So they literally go through and kind of list everything on how to make these offers here. So I think the trial is 7 days, and then once you've got the trial out of the way, you've made your 45 quid. You then basically just need to decide whether match betting is for you. If it is something that's for you, then you can kind of move on to these different sections. And these menus don't appear when you're just on the trial account, but when you're on the full account, these menus will appear. And you've got things like new account offers. So if you've never signed up to any bookmaker sites before, then you can obviously make quite a bit of money by signing up and using their bonuses as an incentive to get you in. So I think it's Bet365 do an offer where if you deposit £100, they'll match it, and I think it's just up to £100. So they'll basically effectively give you £100, and with match betting you can turn that into about 80% profit. So you could probably take around £80 out of that offer, just pure profit. So that's pretty cool. They talk about casino offers. Not a massive fan of the casino offers, to be fair. Same with bingo. Bingo's okay, but it's all a bit, I don't know. when it comes to doing these kinds of offers, I understand that it's all about like the sort of estimated value and the fact that if you did, if you did them over and over again over time, you would come out on top. But you have to kind of deal with variance and things like that in your mind. So that's interesting. Anyway, they also have a daily offers calendar now. This is awesome. So like if you're coming in at any point in the day, you can kind of just squeeze in here and you can kind of see what offers you've got on for the day, and give you the potential profit. And obviously you can click on more details and it'll tell you how to do these things. So that's really cool. You've then got reload offers. Reload offers is the same thing. So it's kind of like with reload offers, you're basically doing these offers after you've done your initial bets for like your sign-up offers. Because obviously once you're signed up to the bookmakers, a lot of people that will then think, oh, well, I'm done now. Well, that's not necessarily true, because there's still ways to make money in match betting once you've done the sign-up offers. But it's just a case of you have to be a little bit more creative. And also, I think the sign-up offers are probably the most lucrative, like in one shot kind of thing. So there's that. So the reload offers is awesome. The offers calendar is really good because you kind of can, plan out your day based on what you can see. The bingo and the casino offers, I've not really got into them too much. I've done a little bit, I've dabbled a little bit, but not particularly my kind of thing. And then the training side of this website is amazing. So this website will literally take you from nothing all the way to being able to do pretty much anything within the match betting universe. When I first started, and it wasn't that long ago when I first started match betting, but when I first started, I'd not placed any bets. I think I placed like 2 or 3 bets on the Grand National, like ever in my life. So knowing all the terms and all these odds and things, I had no idea what I was doing. And the training through here goes through from the very, very beginning, and you can kind of just gently hold your hand all the way through. So you've got like product guides on sort of how to use their tools. You've got general guides, so that'll be doing things like mug betting or how to lay and what an exchange is and stuff like that. And then they've got like guides for particular reload offers or particular bookie sign-up offers. They've got all these different videos. Now, the one thing I will say about the videos is that when it comes to the actual training videos, they're really, really good quality. They're really good videos. The only criticism I've got is that some of the videos for some of the offers seem to be outdated. There's a lot of times when you go to an offer and there'll be a little note under the video that says, this offer is now changed, please refer to the text below. So it's fine, so you can still absolutely do the offer, no problem. It's just because updating video is so much harder than just updating a little bit of text, they're not obviously going to record the videos over again. So there's that to be aware of, but it's not an issue, to be fair, because once you get confident with match betting, to be honest, you don't really watch the videos anyway. You kind of just read the text to kind of get a general gist. So that's cool. What else have we got? I'll come back to tools in a minute. You've got a community. If I just click on this, we can go to the forum. Now in the forum, we've got all sorts of things. So you've got like new account offers, existing account offers, support. You've also got things like non-match betting related stuff, so like trading and crypto and just general sort of side hustle stuff, which is kind of cool. Support is amazing. Like if you just go go into a thread and you just like at them, anyone on the support team, then they'll get back to you really quickly. So that's pretty neat. And then obviously you can like raise a support ticket or chat to them that way, and you've got all sorts of things. And obviously they've got a blog. They've got some pretty good stuff on their blog, if I remember rightly. They did this thing a while back where it was Ben's diary, I think it was. Can't see it on here now. But if you just Google that, OddsMonkey Ben's diary, you'll find it. But in fact, let me just see if I can find it. Ben's diary. See if I can find it here. Can't see it. But anyway, so yeah, they do. They've got a decent blog. Like I say, they've got this section where you can see like this guy that basically, I think he logged his entire sort of matched betting activities for quite a long time. So the forum's good, the blog's good, but then the meat and potatoes of this is things like two things. Well, three things, I guess. You've got the offers. Now, the offers are really good. I'm not going to click on them because I think, I don't really want to give them away. I don't think that's very fair for me to kind of start giving away all the offers. You've also got the profit tracker. So the profit tracker's cool. I really like the profit tracker in OddsMonkey because you can do this stuff here where you can basically say, is it settled? So let's say like this one here. So like you can see Burton versus Hull, and then you can basically just go through and you can say, yeah, this bet has happened or it's not happened, and you can kind of see where you are and kind of keep up. So you can kind of see like the name of the game, the odds, what type of bet it was, all this kind of thing, and where you laid it off and whatnot. So you can see tons of stats, and then they give you all these pretty graphs as well, which is amazing. So this is like your profit over time and stuff, and yeah, so that's pretty neat. What else do they do? So with the tools, they've got the odds matcher here, so you can click on this, and when you go to this, you basically see like the odds matcher, and you can set like all your filters and stuff, which is awesome. And then they have like all these different matches. So they've got like the odds matcher, racing matcher, tennis matcher, each way, Dutch, accumulators, Acca Finder, no lane. They've got guides for all of these things as well. And then they've got like the calculators. So if you just click on like the basic calculator, yeah, so you can just kind of select like the modes that you want for the calculator. And then you can kind of, just start messing around with whatever it might be. So you can like kind of put like these different odds in and stuff, and yeah, and you can do all these kinds. You can underlay, overlay, do these standard things. The Acca Finder is pretty decent, and then you can kind of save your Accas as well, which is really good, so that you don't have to keep looking for those again. Yeah, so they've got like Smarkets and Betfair integrations as well, which is really, really useful because you can basically lay the bets from within OddsMonkey. I literally don't go onto Smarkets website very often. Literally, I just have Smarkets open on another screen and I just leave it there, and I just glance over every once in a while to make sure that my bets have actually gone, my lay bets have actually gone through. So it's really, really simple. It makes it really, really convenient. The training's amazing on this site. They walk you through from the beginning, and overall, I would say this site is great. In terms of other ones I've used, do I prefer this? I think I do prefer this site. Like I say, the videos are a little bit out of date in some places. But I think, yeah, I really like OddsMonkey, and I would definitely sign up for it. I mean, I could never imagine trying to do match betting without something like this. So yeah, go and take a look. But what I'll do is I'll leave a link below that you can just click on, and then you'll be able to sign up for a 7-day trial with OddsMonkey. And then when you sign up, you can basically make your free 45 quid and then just decide what you want to do from there. And yeah, if this has been useful, if you like what you see, then please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below, and if you've got any questions, just give me a shout. So yeah, cheers guys, thank you.